Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick and easy project for you that anyone can do. These pair of chairs popped up on my Facebook and I instantly fell in love with them. They needed of course a little love, but otherwise they were in great condition. So without further delay, let's get started. As per usual, I started this project with giving these chairs a very thorough cleaning. I'm using the same old elbow grease and lately I started to use a marigold scouring pad. This scourer not only removes the dirt but also scratches the surface, which gives a perfect scuff sanding to the piece. Cleaning is such a crucial step in any furniture renovation. I know everyone says it, but it really is. If you paint the wood without cleaning, the paint will chip off really easily. This is because the paint doesn't stick to the wood directly, but it sticks to the dirt and the grease, which is not a strong adhesion of course. Just look at how much dirt came off of them. This is why you always need to clean the pieces before painting. Next, I wanted to paint the chairs. I decided to try something fun and different with this set. So first I painted the chairs to this beautiful pink color by Craig & Rose. I was so afraid of using this color, but since the last project I really fell in love with it. I don't actually need to use any primer with this project because this is an oak chair which generally doesn't release any resin, and also because this chair will be painted to a dark color. Just so you know, if you want to renovate any chairs, they are generally very time consuming because of all the nooks and crevices that they have, and of course this pair was no exception. After the pink paint, I am applying a gorgeous black color from Frenchic. I'm using a regular sponge to apply it so that I have more control over the paint and so that I can get to the small crevices a lot easier. There is nothing better than having a companion by your side while you are furniture flipping. So now that the chairs have been completely painted, I went ahead and tried distressing them a little bit so that the pink paint color would show through the black paint in those distressed places. This step was very scary, guys, and I was very much questioning my life choices at this point. After distressing, I have applied this furniture wax by Howard, which helped protect the piece and enhance the distressed areas. Finally, it was time to add a new cover for the chairs. The seats of these chairs are not removable, and since the seat itself was in good condition, I had no reason to take the chair apart. As a result, I decided to add the new fabric to the top of the existing one. First, I had to measure and cut the new pieces of fabric. Since this fabric had a pattern, I had to make sure that I cut the fabric so that the pattern that I want will be in the center of the seat. Always make sure to cut a bigger piece than what you actually need, because you can always trim off the excess, but if you cut it too small, there is nothing you can do and you have to cut a new piece. First, make sure that the pattern is where you want it to be. Then add the staple to each side to secure the fabric in place. And now is the fun part! When adding new fabric, make sure that the fabric covers the seat nice and tight, but not too tight so that the cushion loses its shape. As you can see, it gets fairly tricky around the corners. I had to try and fold the fabric around the top of the legs and carefully cut the fabric until I was able to fold the fabric smoothly around the legs. It's one of those trial and error jobs, but it's so worth it. Once the fabric has been properly attached, I cut off all the excess and hammer the staples in just to make sure that they hold the fabric firmly. And finally, let me remind you guys how this project started. And here is how it looks after. I'm so much in love with them, especially with the fabric. As soon as I saw it on Etsy, I knew I had to buy this fabric. It's just so vibrant, so colorful and busy. But yet, it's not too much, or at least it doesn't feel too much to me. It has really brightened these chairs up, and I can definitely see these chairs being used for many years to come. But enough of me, what do you think about this project? Is the fabric a bit too much, or would you have chosen something different? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and follow me for more furniture flips. I'll see you guys in a few weeks. Bye!